And we're back in the studio. So on today's Tool Tuesday, we're going to be talking about Klein's new Fast Bit True Grip ratcheting screwdriver. This thing is freaking awesome. When I first saw this, I was just like, I don't know. But apparently the Japanese like this style. And believe it or not, I'm actually part Japanese. So, bet you didn't know that. But anyway, let's get into it. So here we go. They originally came out with just a standard one, which was pretty awesome. What really amazes me with this thing is just the way that the bit comes off and goes on. I mean, it's just super easy. I wish they would figure out how to use this on other tools. So I've been using this one for a while, and Klein did actually send this to me, which is freaking awesome. The fact that they sent me this because they wanted me to test it out is pretty awesome. I really like that. But I was a little kind of like, I don't know. Because, I mean, I'm used to your standard screwdriver. So my favorite screwdriver is this guy here. This is the 13-in-1 ratcheting. I'm not big on ratcheting, but for certain reasons, I do use them. And this one is actually what I like to call my contactor screwdriver. I basically use this whenever I'm working on contactors, whenever I'm replacing them, just because most of the screwdrivers, the things that I have are nut drivers. So I don't really use screwdrivers. I don't like dedicated screwdrivers because they take up space, and I don't use them that often. But when I do, you know, I need a lot of different ones. But for the most part, I find myself only using a slotted or a Phillip. And the 13-in-1 is a great screwdriver because the handle is not huge and you have pretty much anything you could possibly need. But I find myself, I only use 2 of these bits, and that's going to be the Phillip bit, the number 2 Phillip, and then the slotted. And unfortunately, one thing I don't like is I wish they would put the Phillips 2 here and the slotted on here so I could just flip it. And because I pretty much, if that were the case, I would never ever use these. I never really use them. But I find myself actually using this guy here to replace contactors. Now, I always have my drill with me, so I can usually use the nut driver on here to remove that. Or I have my 14-in-1 right here, which I can also use to do that as well. Yeah, so it's... yeah, I've been using this one quite a bit, and what's really nice is the Phillip. I mean, it just fits. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if we can get this thing to focus on here. But the Phillip fits in here really good on a contactor. I mean, the fitment on there is just really good. And usually there's a bunch of wires, so the fact that the design of this, where you can hold it like this because you want to kind of like stick it into wires, works really well. And then having the ratchet on the end, on the butt end like this, but yeah, so you can really get in there and just unscrew it. And then also the way that you flip it, it's just so quick. And then you can see here we have the slotted lugs here. Come on, let's focus. They just fit in there really good. Yeah, see that? It just fits really good, and then like the length of it is great. Now the construction of this thing, I mean, not only is it super comfortable, I mean, it's got the ball here is rubber, this is rubber, and then, you know, you got the yellow plastic, but what's crazy is the little knob here and I've noticed, so one thing about this is you don't have to pull it down to put it in, you just slide it in there and it just bites in. You only have to do it to take it out. But this is all metal, you know, like even the inside part. I don't know if you can hear that. It's all metal. So I really like this thing. And it's really crazy is you can actually use any bit you want, like the double-sided one off the 13-in-1. It's not perfect, but in your pinch, it works. Like, I mean, it wiggles a little bit, but I mean, it's in there. I mean, you can't pull it out. It ain't going nowhere. Now, it does wiggle a little bit, but I mean, if you need a bit, it goes in there. I mean, if you got your 6-in-1 here, slides in there, and you got yourself a nut driver, you know. So it's just it's really good. Like here's my, this is the 17-in-1 impact. And boom, look at that. Just, and this one actually is in there. So it's really cool. This is a very versatile handle. I really like this whole system. So we're on the field. We got our Klein Fast Grip True Bit ratcheting screwdriver. So everyone shows you what a great screwdriver it is, which it really is, but it also works really well because it's very small, so I keep it in my pocket. But when it comes to getting these panels off for changing filters, it works great for a little pry bar, you can see. So nice little tool. Because of the way the shaft is, it works great, because the only issue with the multi-drivers is, you know, you got that small little bit, so sometimes it kind of pops off when you're trying to pry stuff. But this thing is pretty awesome. All right, so I got this on here so I can do a 1/4 inch. And this screwdriver is just super comfy. Use it like that. Or you can do it like that. However you want to do it. Do the ratcheting. And then what I really like is just the way this comes off is so easy to do, just like that. One of the really amazing things is just how easily and quickly you can switch. So I'm going to switch over to this. Just boom, boom, done. Look at that. Super quick, super easy. I really like this, what do you call it, retention system that they have going for this. All right, so let's talk about this guy, the ratcheting thing. So my only gripe is inconsistency, okay? So I have all the ratcheting Kleins that I have here. This is the Ratcheting 11-in-1. So this guy here, I'm just going to point it this way, okay? So if I turn it that way, right, the ratchet goes that way, right? If I turn it this way, the ratchet goes that way, right? Now on the 13-in-1, if I turn it that way, oops, the ratchet goes that way, right? If I turn it this way, ratchet goes that way, okay? So I went that way first and then that way. This one's opposite, okay? So if I turn it that way, it doesn't ratchet that way, it goes opposite. If I turn it that way, it goes opposite. I'm turning it this way. So the last 2 iterations of the ratcheting drivers all go the same way, and then this one's totally different. I think that's because some people don't like the direction that this goes. Personally, I don't care. I just like consistency. So like all my ratcheting screwdrivers, I wish would just set, you know, I set them the same way. So I find myself setting this one backwards every time, but it's a nitpicky. I know I'm nitpicking, but I really like this driver. So the ratcheting on this is really cool. It feels good. I'm not sure exactly what the pulls on it, but it just, I don't know, I like it. It's noisy, it's loud. It just feels good. I mean, the whole thing is just great, but I have noticed because of where they've put the ratcheting, you know, switch thing here, in some cases when I'm using it, I do accidentally hit it when I'm trying to keep it locked, because you can lock it where it's not ratcheting. So I do notice that happens to me, but like I said, when it comes to doing contactors, having a ratchet on there is like perfect. And then the design of this is just perfect for doing contactors. But yeah, you see, I keep getting the directions wrong, but you know, usually I'm doing this kind of thing or I'm doing this kind of thing. And then the long shaft is just like perfect for this. But I've really been enjoying using this. I've been using this now for a few months. I wanted to really get a good use out of it. So the pros, the ratchet is very good. The bit, I mean, the bit, like the way this works is awesome. I mean, it's pretty crazy because like you don't have to, you just slide it in there and it's, I mean, it's in there, you know. And then if you want to just do that, and just boom, look how quick that is. Boom. So just to show you, you could use other brands. This is a DeWalt nut driver. It's on there good. It's not like sliding all over the place. I got a Milwaukee one right here. It goes in there. Doesn't wiggle. We have our Weehaw, so you can put this bit holder in here, and it's in there. And I can put a Milwaukee bit in there, and it's locked in. So you have a lot of options. You don't have to stick with the Klein stuff if you don't want to. So I mean, you have options. So very versatile tool. Good construction. Only time will tell if it lasts. I think it will, because it's full metal construction. I mean, the only thing really that's plastic is like the outer part, you know, and then the little latch here. But everything else is metal. I mean, look at that. These are all my favorite drivers that Klein makes right now. And I have like a ton of them. I don't know if you caught my video where I had like 14 of them or something. But these are my 4 favorites. So this is the Impact 17-in-1. This one's pretty cool. I really like this one, mainly because it's just, I don't know, it's just really good. I like this specialty bit that they did, how it has the dedicated bit holder. And then of course I like the 14-in-1 HVAC. This thing is awesome. It's got like everything you could possibly need. And then, you know, the shaft is adjustable, which is really cool. And then this is my contactor one, which has pretty much gotten replaced with this. I want to try getting the regular one and seeing if I like that, because I'm not a huge fan of ratcheting screwdrivers usually, but for contactors, the ratchet function is really good, especially because I'm doing small little increments, and usually it's pretty tight. And the size of this and the shape of it is just really comfortable, and it works out perfectly. But yeah, apparently this kind of design is all the rage in Japan. And yes, again, I believe it or not, I am part Japanese, only about 30%. Fast Bit True Grip ratcheting screwdriver. It's the 32960 ARCHT is the number there. If you want to pick one up, click on that products thing and pick one up for yourself. You won't regret it. It's a very, very good tool. If you're taking a look at this thing and you're like, hey, is this going to work out for me? I would say it definitely will. Yes, it was provided to me by Klein, but I'm completely honest in this. If this thing sucked, as much as I love Klein, they have released some things that have not been wonderful. But you know, that they're trying. You know, they're trying a bunch of different things, so not everything's going to land. But I would say this one definitely landed. I really like this. It's super comfy. It's different, and it just works perfectly for what I need it for. It's very specific. If you're someone who doesn't like to carry a lot of screwdrivers, this is definitely the way. It does wobble and wiggle a little bit, but I mean, it's a ratcheting screwdriver. It's going to do that. They do have a non-ratcheting version. I haven't seen it yet. I think I will pick one up and try it. And I would assume it's just not going to wobble because this is all one piece. But I would like to see them come out with a bit set with different sizes other than just, you know, the slotted and the number 2 Phillip. It'd be really cool if they had like a hex set, like a whole set. That'd be really cool. Maybe stick it in a mod box or something. Pop one of those in there. You know, those little mod box sets. That'd be pretty sick. But anyway, hopefully this helps you out if you're trying to figure out if this is the right screwdriver for you. If you have any questions about the 13-in-1 ratcheting, the 14-in-1 HVAC, or any of these, because I have so many of these things, let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram, Facebook. If you want to support the channel, get some work socks from Camel City Mill. Nighthawk 10 gets you 10% off. And if you want to pick up any of these drivers, I will have them in that products section on the screen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.